Hey, what up, car life? We're at the Melton Car Show, downtown Melton. There are lots of bees here today. uh, Today we're going to be checking out some cars, walking around, exploring, see what kind of cars there are today. It started at 5 o'clock, so pretty soon. It runs till like 9 o'clock, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so it's till 5, 9, Melton, downtown, Ontario, Canada. This is my first time doing this. So yeah, let's get into the, let's get it. Alright, so here we have a 2007 Mitsubishi Galant Ralliart. It's a 3.8 liter V6. This is my car. Actually, I haven't really done much to it yet, but we're slowly working on it. It's got nice blue rims. Got the flames on it. It's pretty nice. So, automatic. And then here we got another nice car. This is a Mustang, a 1968 Mustang. That looks very nice. And he is just a pretty cool guy. You got Mini Cooper. It's very cool. So we'll go down this way. Got some nice cars, some people walking around already. And then we got this nice car here, nice engine. Nice Chevy engine. Nice new 4. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beauty. Oh. Now here's a classic you'll see with it. Let's see that. That's nice. Alright, on to the next one. That's a nice car, which we will be seeing when we go up back up this way. But I'll slowly go by it. We got some sponsors here today, which is very awesome. Got some yummy popcorn and cotton candy. Oh, even better. Alright, so here we have Mr. Lube over there. We got a nice truck that I've never seen before. It's a Taycan. Oh. We also got a nice Toyota. Got nice rims. Got a Honda. Got a nice Audi here. Check out the inside in here. Oh, that's pretty nice. Get her out of here.
And now we get it. Yeah. Part of the show. TV.